Έκλεισαν 400 χρόνια από τον θάνατο του Δομήνικου Θεοτοκόπουλου. Η τύχη θέλησε να αφήσει την τελευταία του πνοή στο μακρινό Τολέδο, στην πόλη όπου άφησε μαζί με την πνοή του και τα κορυφαία έργα του. Έργα μνημειακά, έργα επιβλητικά που δεν μπορούν ποτέ να ταξιδέψουν. Η Εθνική Πινακοθήκη φέρνει κοντά σας τα πιο μεγάλα αριστουργήματα του Γκρέκο με τη βοήθεια της υψηλής τεχνολογίας.
Welcome back, Simona Cocchi, The Italian Way. Thank you for tuning in. I'm here to introduce the legendary show on El Greco from October 11th, 2023, from today until February 11th, 2024, at Palazzo Reale, of course. And this monumental exhibition is being curated by Juan Antonio Garcia Castro, Palma Martinez, Burgos Garcia, and Thomas Clement Solomon. And its a promise is to unveil the artist's oeuvre through the lens of the latest research into his practice. Yeah, so what is interesting, and the more I was searching news on El Greco, and I try my best to inform, I bumped into the film produced by the Greek government in 2007, and I was absolutely seduced by the profile and the temperamental profile of this artist. Is absolutely one of my favorite until now, and because he had very strong backgrounds, but also he bumped into different such a tumultuous phases on his life, and you can see all these phases in this movie, in this film that has won everything possible. And so today we're gonna embark in a journey into the heart and the profile of one of the most famous Greek artist, El Greco, as I said. El Greco film is directed by Yannis Smaragdis and is a cinematic exploration into his life through also the 16th century that was hit badly by the Inquisition. So there are a few scenes that are really strong, and so I suggest you to watch it. You can find on YouTube easily. Of course, it's in English. Also, have to say that one of the film's strength lies in its attention to the historical accuracy. So you will see also high intensity scenes. And let's dive and let's know a little bit more on the show as well. So I grab a few scenes from this movie from YouTube, and you see here with this second lady, very important story, love story, and this is the court in Toledo, because it was really well known, and he had the opportunity to depict the most eminent and the leading figure of that time, and even if most of them were part of the Inquisition. We're gonna get back to these scenes later. I wanna talk about the different phases and the different areas of the exhibition. Here you can see the majestic venue, Palazzo Reale, that is of course in Piazza Duomo. Nobody is thinking to move such an incredible location from there, and I'm really affectionate because I spend most of my professional events there, and to me is an impressive and magic location in Milano. So the exhibition will house more than 40 works, including prestigious international loans. They are coming from all over the world, and the exhibition will delve into the relationship with Italian models, exploring the influence of artists like Michelangelo, Titian, and Tintoretto. And we see here a few from the press kit that I received from the press office, Palazzo Reale press office. This masterpiece come from all over the world, and so you will have the possibility of admiring in Palazzo Reale. There are different phases, and so there are different sections, a crossroad. So the early days in Crete, because professionally, I mean artistically, he started in Greece, and then he was in the movie. You can see that there were a lady that suggested him to go to Venice, and so he did. And Dialogues with Italy, the second part of the show, Painting Stainless, explores the El Greco first phase in Toledo. It's a magic city. I found it in the film really strong. And then we have the section, The Icon Once More, and the homage to Laocoon. Laocoon is this mythological image that he depicted also in the movie, and it's really strong. He has a really strong meaning, and he also scared these drawings. He scared the Inquisition boss. So there are a few scenes that really impressed me. So grazie mille for joining me and to grab from me these inputs in discovering El Greco, and also I remind you from today you have the opportunity to know more on one of the most fascinating artists from the Renaissance, and I wait for you coming back very soon for the next show and my next digital review. Stay tuned. Simona Cocchi, The Italian Way.